Hey hustlers, welcome back to Genius Insights. Today we're shaking things up a bit. We'll explore the realm of making money online. And guess what? No AI required. I'm Lucas, and if you're ready to discover ways to earn online without the fancy tech, stick around. Let's dive in. First on our list is good old freelancing. Whether you're a writer, a graphic designer, or digital marketer, offer your skills on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Freelancing allows you to capitalize on your expertise without the need for advanced technology. If you're a crafty individual, consider selling handmade goods online. Platforms like Etsy provide a marketplace for unique, handcrafted items. Turn your passion for creating into a source of income without relying on AI algorithms. Share your knowledge and skills through online tutoring. Websites like Check Tutors or Tutor.com connect you with students seeking assistance. Whether it's academics, music, or language, online tutoring is a straightforward way to make money. Businesses and entrepreneurs often seek virtual assistants to help with various tasks. Offer your organizational skills, scheduling expertise, or customer support services. It's a hands on way to make money online without AI complexities. Explore content creation as a source of income. Start a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast focusing on your interests. Monetize through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. Good content remains a timeless way to attract an audience. Share your knowledge by creating online courses or ebooks. Platforms like Udemy or Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing allow you to monetize your expertise directly. It's an effective way to generate passive income over time. Dive into the world of affiliate marketing. Promote products or services you believe in and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. It's a straightforward way to monetize your online presence without AI intricacies. If you have a knack for photography, consider selling your photos on stock photography websites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. Your creativity can turn into a steady income stream without relying on advanced AI algorithms. And there you have it, folks. Making money online doesn't always have to involve complex technologies. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned to Genius Insights for more practical insights into the world of online hustle. I'm Lucas, signing off. Now go out there and start making that money.